features ETHIKA HAUL and my 2 butterfly braids. I have a ETHIKA HAUL. This is my first time shopping with them. Did I do it because everybody else is doing it? Maybe. Also, I need some fitness gear because I'm trying to get my life together.
You looking fresh, they be looking new. They go off, sis, go off.
It's a big bag. I don't remember how much stuff I got, but I do remember I paid a lot of money. About 13 items. That's a lot. Just a lot. About $400 about I spent. I want to say that. I'm not sure. I'll show you maybe right here how much I spent, and this is what I bought. About everything is a medium except for one thing is extra large. Oh, I got something from my boyfriend. Hold on. Before we begin, this is the one thing I got from my boyfriend. I'm about to go surprise him now. Anyway, so I'm about to do my little try on haul, and I can't wait. Okay, so the first set I got was this one. Let me organize this. Okay, so I got 5 sets, and the first one is these leggings, the Oral Gang, and the T-bra. Looks pretty tiny. Okay, it looked like that fake Versace kind of vibes. Telling me to shout them out on Instagram. Sure. So it looks like that, you know, that Versace kind of vibes. So I don't know if this is high waist, if this is regular. It's just spandex and it's medium. And it feels nice, stretchy. I feel like this is gonna feel nice. I can't wait to try this on. I'm gonna try this on first. Alright, next I wanted something blue because I hate blue and I'm like trying to get into it right now. So the first thing I have, if you like my hair, I'm gonna link in the description the video of how I did these. These are like their boxer kind of shorts. I forgot what they called. I think this is the staple. So I have to have at least one pair of these, and it's the size medium. They look kind of big, but I'm kind of fat, so this should be good. And this is the regular iris bra. I got some of the bras that have the, they have to put this in every fucking thing. Like it's not the environment, bro. Anyway, yeah, this is like a regular sports bra. Cool. Medium look a little small, but the drawers look a little big. Okay. And I want a lot of shorts and short sets because I just got into a pole. Like I already got into it, but now I'm really like, I got a pole in my house type shit. Like I'm into it. So we'll see how that looks on the kid. But so far everything feels nice. This one I opted to get 3. And this is one thing too, I would have been ordered from them, but they sell out fast. Not only that, like you'll like something and it'll be gone, and that's not the same problem with Fenty. That's why you never see me with any Savage stuff. But so I got the bra, the S bra. I think this is a sports bra, and so it's a Sub-Zero neon. This is bright. I don't even think the camera is showing you how bright this is. This is like great. And the staple short, and then also the spandex. Just to verify that, I'm gonna check it out, see how it feels. Yes, they feel like they squeeze your ass. Okay. Oh, these are cool too. They have like a line, reflective line. Can you see it? And that's interesting. I didn't know that. I just like the color. I don't think the bra has that. No, but it has some of that in the back. So I guess this is cool. Like if you're a runner, you get that reflective light situation. Like if you're a runner. I don't know if it's reflective. It's just or just silver. That is definitely reflective. This might just be silver. And what the fuck is it saying? Like, you got emojis on it and shit. I'm wild with this shit. We gonna see. Another one where I did the 3 thing because I want to, you know, try different pieces out. So this is just a regular legging. And when I saw this on the website, I didn't know that it had little gold flecks in it. I didn't know that, but I kind of like that. I do. So this is just a regular legging. Size medium, cute. And try that on. That's probably my favorite so far. And what is this? This is the shorty. So this is a short that's a little different. I'll try this one on because I don't need you to see the leggings. You will see it on the channel. But this is a little different than the staple. Like it's a wee bit shorter. A wee bit shorter. You hear that? That's the water running from my little therapeutic fountain. It's not static. Alright, and the bra that I got, same one. Didn't I get any other bra? Just got a regular ass sports bra. Cool. Well, you can't go wrong with these. I'll probably go out pick that. Alright, this one I think I switched it up a bit. So we have the hipster, which is really like a panty. Like I'm not going to the gym with this shit on. I'll tell you that much. But I would work out on my pole with these. So I love a hipster. Like they're cheekies, cute. I'm trying that on. And the top I got, which is the last piece, is dun, 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 dun. Oh shit. But it's like that high sports bra. I'll put it in the description. I forgot what it's called. The high neck bra. So it's a little different. So you know, not everything gotta show all the boobies all the time. I'm gonna try these on and then give you my feedback. And I'll try to comment in the description and let you know like how they last through washing and over time. Like my experience with other things that you've seen if you've watched any of my other hauls. Be right back. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up. Butterflies and creatures. Overall, I really like ETHIKA. The quality is A1. They feel good. They look good. And let me tell you something. That little boxer brief drink that I bought for my boat, man, he look good in the motherfucker right there. So yeah, if you catch a good sale, get you as much as you can. Like they're really cute sets. I didn't know that has skulls in it, and I thought that's really cute. Looking back at the video, I'm like, oh wow, it's cute. And overall, just like how I look and feel, and I'm about to be fit as fuck. So you know, follow me on my channel, subscribe for my journey. Love you guys. Comment below.
We wanted to talk to you about the video that you made.
Did you like it?
No, I didn't.
Then I didn't make it. Bye-bye.